If you're experiencing login issues on Acorns, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email address and password. If you're unsure, use the Forgot Password feature to reset your password and gain access to your account. Step 3. Update the app. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Escort to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If you're using the app, clearing the cache and data can help resolve login issues. Go to your device settings, find the Acorns app, and clear its cache. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Acorns customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve any account-related issues you may be facing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Acorns quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek professional help from their support team.